Here's what my road looks like. This is the steep part here. This is before my dirt road. It's pretty bad down here on the paved road. I don't know. I may have to walk up to the house. It's snowing right now too. I may not be staying home very long. Maybe just long enough to drop off this prescription for my wife and head back to the truck. I don't want to get stuck up here. Well, here's our driveway. It's about a quarter mile from our house. Our house is up there on top of that hill. It's gonna be much worse up there. But if I can just get close, I can walk up there. Damn. I'm still in the paved section. When I get up here to the dirt, we'll see what that's like. Well, here's the dirt section on the lower part. It's not too bad. I'm moving at least. But I haven't done the steep climbs yet. We'll see what it looks like when I get up here. I may just walk from down here. Not sure yet. This part gets used. Our road probably doesn't. I don't think anybody's been in or out. Yeah, this part's sort of okay. I don't think I'm going to be making this left-hand turn now. We'll see. Well, here's the steep part going up below our house. Oh shit. I'm making it. Ain't nobody's been down our road. We got a few neighbors up here. I guess nobody's tried to make it out up here. Oh. Everybody's just hunkered down, I guess. Our house is up here. There's our house up there, but I still got a ways to go to get there. Here's a real steep part. Yeah, this will dodge if I can climb right up it. Here's one of our lower neighbors. They're probably, oh man, there's a tree in the way. I might have to break that off. My truck wants me to put my seatbelt on. No, I might want to jump out. Like, this truck just goes up this no problem. And it's not like if only she had a four-wheel drive. Yeah, a Jeep Cherokee, my Dodge. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I brought her medicine. Well, oh, did I leave my lights on? They'll probably go off. I made it right up here. It wasn't too bad. But I don't know how long I'll be staying because it's still snowing. See what the house looks like. Oh, there's Gigi. Oh shit, look at our roof. I might have to shovel off my roof. Oh, the goose likes it. To the roof. Hey, goats. What do you think, Holly? Where's Coco? Oh, they're under the house. I don't know if the goats like it so much. They're staying out of it, except for Holly. Hank might be out there, you can't see him. mountain. That's the road I came in on down there.
The icicles. Chicken coops covered in snow. What you think of all this, Bobo?
Well, it's much worse. What do you think, Bo? You think I'm gonna make it out? I probably shouldn't have stayed home last night, but so I'm gonna try to make it out. Because I gotta go to work. I have to be in San Diego tomorrow. We'll see. Well, I got a tree in my way. This might be a problem. Huh. Well, so far, I've had to use my chainsaw to cut 4 different trees that were blocking the road. I just cut another one. I'm not even off our dirt road yet. Yeah. I don't know how all these people would have got out if I didn't come out. I think everybody's been blocked in. Not a lot of young guys living back here. And I'm 58. I guess I'm young. Whew. Hopefully I don't got no more trees. Thank God I got my chainsaw. I can't get up this hill. I've been shoveling and shoveling and making runs at it. I've almost went off into that ravine a couple times. And it's snowing. I don't even know if I get to the top, if I can get down Big Hill. I haven't seen any traffic. I've been trying to get up this for a while. Well, I made it out on the Big Hill. I made one last run at it, and I made it. Hopefully I can get all the way down Big Hill. I seen a Jeep go by and it gave me hope that I could get this way.